Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to purchase VPS hosting in SeekaHost India. Before we get into the video, I have a small update for you friends. This video is available in 3 different languages: English, Tamil, Hindi. To change the language, go to the video settings. There you can see the option named audio track. Click the option and change to your desired language. Okay friends, let's get into the video. Open your browser and navigate to SeekaHost.in portal. The top you can see the option named services. Click that. There you can see VPS hosting option under the servers. Please click that. After that you will be navigated to VPS hosting packages page. If you scroll down you can see the packages from 2GB RAM 50GB disk space to 32GB RAM 400GB disk space. Choose the package as per your requirements. For now I am choosing Creator VPS to show you how to purchase it. Click on the get started button. In this page you can see the choose billing cycle option. Choose your desired billing cycle for your hosting package. On the next option here is operating system. Here you can choose your operating system, that means the OS for your VPS. OS is a basic thing of a VPS, so choose it wisely and as per your needs. And the next option is control panel. Of course you can run your VPS without control panel, but if you want one you can choose it here. And please note that some of the control panels are not compatible with some of the OS. For example, CentOS web panel will be only supported on CentOS. If you have any doubts or confusions while choosing the control panel and operating system, please contact our support team, they will assist you on that. And the last option here is configure server. On the host name, please enter your desired host name like vps.domainname.com. You can change that VPS to whatever you wish. Next option is root password. This is the password will be used to log in your VPS server. Next option will be NS1 prefix and NS2 prefix. Please enter it as NS1 and NS2. After configuring the details, please click the continue button on the right side. Now we will be navigated to review and checkout page. If you scroll down, you can see the billing details option. If you are a new customer, please create your account here. You can create your account by filling the required details. Scroll down on the billing details, you can see the account security option. Please note that whatever you are entering in this password field is your client area password. If you are an existing client with SeekaHost India, choose the option existing customer login. Here please enter your email address and your client area password to login. Once the login is successful, your billing details will be fetched automatically. After that, on the right side you can see the checkout option with the tick box. Please click the tick box and the checkout option. Now you will be redirected to the payment page. Here choose your payment method and make the payment. Once the payment is done, your order will be placed successfully and your VPS hosting package details will be sent to your registered email ID. Please check it. If you have any doubts or need assistance while purchasing the VPS package, please contact our support team, they will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.